all maths enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel Vedic Maths Tricks with me Guneet. Today I've got you one very exciting method of Vedic maths, that is finding cubes of a number. So with this method we can find the cube of a number, but before starting the method, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and share button and join our mathematical journey. So now let's start understanding this method. In order to find the cube of a number, we need to first understand one formula of finding the cube. So let's suppose the number is AB. So we have to find the cube of AB. So here, cube of first number, make a partition, 3 square of first number multiplied by the last number, make a partition, then 3A and B square and make a partition, and the cube of a last number. So this formula we have to remember in order to take out the cube of a two-digit number. So now let's understand by taking an example. So here we have to find the cube of 45. So here first we'll take the cube of 4, make a partition, 3 multiply by 4 square multiplied by the second number which is 5. Make a partition. Now 3 multiply by the first number, that is 4, and the square of second number, that is 5 square. Make a partition, and in the last partition take the cube of the last digit, that is 5 cube. So here cube of 4 is 64. Now 3 multiply by 16 multiply by 5. So here 48 multiply by 5, we get 240. Now in the next partition, 3 multiply by 4 multiply by 25. So 4 25s are 100. Multiply by 3, for which we get 300. And the cube of 5 is 125. So let's write all the digits over here. 64, 240, 300 and 125. Now here also we'll use the chain addition. So this 12 will go and add up over here. So in the last partition, we are left with 5. So here 300 plus 12 will give you 312. Now here 2 will be left over here and 31 will be added here. So 240 plus 31 will make it 271. So 1 will be left over here and 27 will go and add up over in the 64. So 64 plus 27 gives you 91. In the second last partition, we get 2. In the second partition, we get 1. And here, 91 in the first partition. So the final answer we get is 91125. Now, let's take one more example to understand this method better. So now, we have to find the cube of 52. So here, first of all, we'll find the cube of first number, that is 5 cube. Make a partition, 3 multiply the square of 5 multiply by 2. Make a partition, then 3 multiply by 5 multiply with the square of 2. And in the last partition, take the cube of 2. Now 5 cube is 125. 3 multiply by 25 multiply by 2. 3 multiply by 50, we get 150. Now here 15 multiply by 4, we get 60 and 2 cube is 8. So here we get 125, 150, 60 and 8. Now here also we'll take the chain addition. So 8 is as it is. Here we get 0. Now 6 plus 150 gives you 156, for which 6 we get over here and 15 will be added in the first partition. So here we get 140. So the final answer we get is 1,40,608. This is a very easy method. You just have to learn one formula and you can take cube of any two-digit number. And I request you guys to please go through all my videos chapter-wise in order to take an understanding of Vedic maths completely. And if you've liked the video, then please hit the like, subscribe and share button and motivate us in making more such learning content for you guys. Thanks for watching.